guy putting her in 4 low. What's up? Yeah, put it in 4 low. Yeah. Your rear diff. Damn. Gnarly. Buddy, you can't park here, dude. Fuck. All right, you got fuel leaking. You're unbuckled. Okay, okay. All right, let's get you. It's fine. The roof is fucked. All right. Race car still coming. On the brake. On the brake. On the brake. Oh, shit. You need this back? Yeah, throw it in there with them.
Oh my God, it happened! It happened! Oh my God, right into the Jeep.
What happened? Get on it. Get on it. Give her another try, bud.
ever. Low and slow. Huh? You're good. Just keep going back. Right there. You're already going over. He's alright. He's alright. Good. Wait, well, I mean, you got to hit it.
All right, long day of racing. This guy came camp to camp looking for a welder. He's got a welder out on the trail with a buddy that's racing. He was pinning up back door. Done. What'd you do? What happened?
Made it up, but it took all the Ugga-Duggas.
All the Ugga-Duggas. So we're gonna weld up this front bumper back to the front horns here. And old Rizzle Sticks back at her again. Yeah, dog. So get this welded up so he can get back on the trail and wheeling tonight. Yes, sir. Jess, what do you think about this operation?
Yeah,
You're the expert here.
let's see what rigs get thrown out.
You're holding the flashlight wrong. What the fuck? The whole thing went off at once.